Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are Group 5 from Section 1 and today we will present an interesting topic and share how these algorithms work, which is about voice activity detection in smart home. But before we get started, we want to introduce ourselves first. Hi, my name is Muhammad Iman Hakimi.
Hello, my name is Aisha Afina.
And hello, my name is Suvimun.
So, what is voice activity detection? Well, here I will explain briefly. Voice activity detection, or we call it VAD, is a technique in which the presence of absence of human speech is detected. The detection can be used to trigger a process. VAD has been used in space control application and device. So, in other words, VAD is a technique that can detect loud environment sound or human voice, and the detection can be used as a process to give the instruction to control application device. For example, smartphone that use assistant and also smart speaker, which are smart home device that have an assistant to listen to the user and process command. A VAD system in smart home can work by receiving voice command from the user and taking the appropriate action based on the recent spoken command without requiring the user to have the physical interaction with the system. So, how does VAD on smart home works? Well, here I will show you the diagram of how this can happen. It starts when the user starts speaking and give a voice command such as "Hey Google, turn on light." After that, the smart home device will detect the voice command and also perform a noise suppression module so as not to hear the ambient noise that can interfere with the hearing voice command from the user. After that, the device will start doing voice processing and process triggering module, whereas before the user told to turn on light, and it will continue to turn on the light. This is an example of the scenario of how it happened.
Hi, how can I help you?
Turn on light.
Alright, turning on light.
It's amazing, isn't it? When you can use your voice to do the task for you without doing physical interaction with the system. Did you know that with this VAD on the smart home device, it can also help to take care of our home and provide security by only using smart home devices such as smart lock, speaker, camera, and more. Aisha will explain this.
Smart lock using voice command. Smart lock using voice command is one of the example of voice activity detection in smart home. Let's see how it works. We take the August smart door lock as the product used. Firstly, user will give a command such as "Hey Google, open the main door" to send to Google server, and it will directly send to the August server because the Google Assistant cannot directly interact with the August smart lock. Next, the command will send to August Connect Wi-Fi bridge and send it to smart lock, which it will trigger the command. Scenario 1. Owner trying to open the door. Owner give a command which is open the main door, and it will be detected and processed by smart lock. Then the smart lock will ask for PIN code that has been set for security. After that, the owner share the correct PIN code. Next, the smart lock door will confirm them and it will open the door since it is the correct code. Scenario 2. A stranger is trying to open the door. A stranger gives a command which is open the main door and will be detected and processed by smart lock. Next, the smart lock will ask for the PIN code. However, the stranger gives the wrong PIN code. And as we can see, the smart lock do not unlock the door and re-ask for the PIN code. After a few times that the stranger gives the wrong PIN code, the smart lock will send alert to the owner as security.
Smart home capture voice activity. So how it work? Smart home devices today have been placed a function where it can detect a loud sound activity and send alert message to the owner. Examples of smart homes that have such features are all devices from Google Nest. Scenario 1. Glass breaking sound.
If you look at this scenario where the thief is trying to break the windows glass of the house and then it made the sound of glass breaking very loudly. Smart home device such as smart speaker can detect the sound of glass breaking because it has a voice activity detection function and then it gonna send an alert message to the owner about it. Next, the homeowner will receive an alert notification no matter where he or she is in the office or at home. And here, the owner can see the smart home sending an alert message that in his house, a very loud sound of broken glass is detected. And the owner can look at the camera and see the situation in his house. Here, we can see how great the voice activity detection function is on a smart home, as it is not only for receiving instruction, detecting voice activity, but it can also be used as a security. I think that's all from us. And before that, we are from Group 5. We want to thank you to everyone for listening to our video, and we would like to thank to Dr. Saidmani for teaching us. I think that's all. Thank you and see you guys later.